Hey YouTubers, it's daughter of Papa 961 here. This is our great weather that we have in Iowa right now. A lot of snow drifts going on and just snowing and snowing and snowing. And oh, there's Rocky Bobo and Apollo Creed. Those are my fur sons. They like playing in the snow. Yeah, they love it in the snow. There's those boys there. Woo! They're playing in the snow. Papa Kind's kind of busy right now. We'll show you what he's up to. He's out here snow plowing. And then here's my front door situation. I can't get out my front door right now. We got lots of people. There's Papa Kind there, going and spreading some kindness and going to the neighbors to help them out. We got lots of work to do here. Getting lots of snow, really cold. There's Papa Kind, and got snow on every different level going on. There's Papa Kind there, waving and saying hi. Sure is pretty, but it's cold. Make sure to go out and do some kindness for your neighbors. Help them if they need it. Make sure to subscribe to Papa 963.